This question is asking, if the below statement is true, then which other statement must also be true? And what we know about conditional statements, if-then statements, are if I take the two pieces and I flip them, so if it was if P then Q, if I flip them and make it if not Q then not P, then that's the contrapositive. And if the conditional statement is true, the contrapositive is always true. It must be true. So if we can find the contrapositive of the original statement, we know that must be true, and there's our answer. So let's read our statement. If a U.S. president served non-consecutive terms, if P, then that president must be Grover Cleveland, then Q. Okay, well, let's go through our statements. The first one, if a president is not Grover Cleveland, that's a good start. If not Q, then they must have served non-consecutive terms. Well, then P, that is not their contrapositive, so that one must not be true. Or isn't case that must be true. The next one, if a president is Grover Cleveland, that's if Q. That's not going to be our contrapositive. I'd have to be if a president is not Grover Cleveland. And this one is then P, so that's not our contrapositive. The next statement, if the president is Grover Cleveland, again, that's if Q, and it's getting a little closer because this one says then not P, but not our contrapositive. But let's take a look at B. If a president is not Grover Cleveland, if not Q, then that president must not have served non-consecutive terms. That is P. That is not P. So that is my contrapositive. If not Q, then not P. So the answer is B.